Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to crop an image, in different formats. So usually the normal crop, what we do for this, for example, take this image, it's a rectangular, image. So for example, go to format. Okay, so once you go to crop, you click crop. This is what usually the people do, right? So just do it like this and like this is an normal kind of crops we use for the PowerPoint. So there are other ways also, wherein you can get another shapes for using the crop. So wherein I can show you. So once again click the image, go to the format option. So again click crop and crop to shape. I don't know how many of you guys have used this. This is another easy way wherein you can make the image fit into that kind of shape. So wherein I can show you, first one is a kind of round. See, this is a kind of circular shape, but it's not proper circle. So what you can do is again go to crop, go to aspect ratio and click 1:1. So you get a perfect round and you can fit in the image like that. So this is one way of you know getting a circular crop. So there are various options shapes available, so you can play with all the shapes. And you can, for example, see wherein the borders are curved borders. See, so this is another kind of shape where you can get, or again you go to crop and you can try various methods like this wherein you want to fit it into an arrow. So this is another option. So these are the different kind of crop options wherein you should try, especially for your PowerPoint wherein you want to play with your images. I definitely believe this will help, and you can again play with the aspect ratios of this. See, you want to play, make the arrow slightly more smaller, and you can play with this. See, so these are some options wherein you want to uh, uh, you want to try using the crop. So it's a very simple tutorial. Hope you guys liked it. If you liked it, please do subscribe my channel and do support me. Thank you very much for watching this video.